In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job in sales with no experience. If you're starting from zero, don't worry. Sales is one of the best fields to break into because many companies are open to hiring people with strong potential, even if they haven't worked in a formal sales role before. A great place to begin is JobStreet, where you can search for entry-level positions like sales associate, sales representative, inside sales representative, sales development representative, business development representative, retail sales associate, or account coordinator. SDR and BDR roles are especially common starting points in business to business sales because they often include structured training. Before you apply, take time to identify your transferable skills. You may already have relevant experience from customer service, freelancing, social media work, hospitality, retail, or admin tasks. Focus on abilities like communication, persuasion, active listening, organization, problem solving, and resilience. These are all highly valuable in sales. It also helps to learn the basics of the sales process. Make sure you understand prospecting, lead generation, qualifying customers, presenting value, handling objections, closing, and follow-up. Alongside that, get familiar with basic CRM tools like HubSpot or Salesforce. Even a beginner-level understanding can show employers that you're comfortable with modern sales workflows. Practice your communication skills regularly. Work on explaining a product clearly, asking thoughtful questions, listening carefully to customer needs, and responding confidently to objections. Then create a sales-focused resume. Instead of drawing attention to a lack of experience, highlight situations where you solved problems, built relationships, persuaded someone, or achieved a target. You can strengthen your application even more by creating a small sales portfolio. Include simple examples like a sample cold email, a mock sales pitch, a sample lead list, a customer persona, a mock CRM pipeline, or a follow-up sequence. This shows initiative and helps prove that you understand the work. As you apply, research each company first. Focus on industries that genuinely interest you and learn about their products, customers, and competitors. Customize your resume for every role by using keywords from the job description and emphasizing the skills they want most. Apply consistently even if a posting doesn't say no experience required, as long as you meet most of the core expectations and can learn the rest. Networking also matters. Connect with sales professionals, recruiters, and hiring managers on LinkedIn to uncover more opportunities. When interviews start coming in, prepare thoroughly, research the company, product, target customer, and competitors. Be ready for a mock sales exercise and don't hide your lack of experience. Be honest, then immediately highlight your preparation, transferable skills, willingness to learn, and enthusiasm. Finally, treat the interview like a sales conversation. Ask smart questions, understand what the employer needs, explain how your skills can help, and confidently communicate why you want the role. Afterward, send a short thank you message and reinforce your interest. Keep improving while you apply by learning more about sales techniques, CRM tools, prospecting, and AI-assisted research and outreach. That ongoing effort can give you a real edge.